Kia ora guys, welcome to another flip video session. Today we're learning to multiply fractions. Let's get into it. Alright, by now we should be confident with what the numerator and the denominator are. The numerator is the top number. It tells us how many pieces of the whole we have. That's the numerator. The denominator is the bottom number. It tells us how many equal pieces the whole has been broken up into. Numerator, top number. Denominator, bottom number. Let's go. Alright, here's our problem. A recipe for a chocolate cake calls or requires 3/4 of a cup of milk. However, it's only me. Right? I don't need to make a whole cake if I'm just making it for myself. So I'm going to halve the recipe. That way I won't waste any food. So I'm going to halve the recipe. But that means I need to half all the ingredients. So now I'm confused. How much milk should I use? If I'm making the whole cake, I need to use 3/4 of a cup, but I'm halving it. What do I do? Well, 3 simple steps to work out. First of all, step 1, you multiply the numerators by each other. So you multiply the top numbers together. Step 2, multiply the bottom numbers together, or the denominators together. Step 3, simplify it if you need to. I'll show you now how to do that. So, in the word problem, we started with 3/4 of a cup of milk. However, I'm halving the recipe. So I'm going to go 3/4 times a half. Step 1, multiply the numerators. 3 times 1 equals 3. And you can see I'm creating a whole new fraction here. So I write the 3 on the top. And that's over here. So that's my new numerator. I then need to multiply the denominators together, which are 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So I write that on the bottom. So how much milk do I need to use in my recipe that I've halved? I need to use 3/8 of a cup. The problem is asking us what half of 3/4 is. The answer is 3/8 of a cup of milk. Alright, let's check out another example. Alright, here I am multiplying 5/6 and 3/4 together. So the problem is asking us what 5/6 of 3/8 is. So 5/6 multiplied by 3/4 or 3/4. Hopefully I said that correctly. So 5/6 times 3/4 multiplied together, what are they equal? So multiply the top numbers together. 5 times 3 equals 15. So that's my new numerator. Now I need to multiply the denominators together. 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. So there we have it, a new fraction. 15 over 24. Wait a minute, I can simplify that. I can simplify that if I divide the top number and the bottom number by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. So I've worked out the answer and then I've simplified it. The problem is asking us what 5/6 of 3/4 is. The answer is 5/8. Alright guys, remember top times top, bottom times bottom. It's that simple.